Tol, abangan nyo itong lahat, men. Pangalan na ito, Aimsta, men. Paalala ka sa kanila lahat.
Yeah, ako si Aista, DTV Progress. Yeah. Start na natin yan. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Aso, Marito, Yami. Physical to, para to, Yami. Isisip. Larry. Isip. Larry. This the purest shaking sound. Know what I'm saying? Smoking papas sa ounce. Know what I'm saying? Pangalan ko di ma-pronounce. You know this is fake. Sa aking set na papabounce. So what's the deal? Ang mapalista lang yata ang di ko pa na-feel. Magkamadali lang talaga to when you keep it real. Paikunin lang yung paksa na kasil. Ayun sabi ka magkamacho dun sa hills. You know the deal. Ay, Yami. Basic na to para to namin. It's it. Let it in. She's a baddie. You're the fatty. Let it in. Aso, Marito, Yami. Basic na to para to namin. Yeah. Pasabi ko RDTV with the size. Paglapag sa pang aso, Marito, Yami. Basic lang to para sa namin. It's just a fatty. With the fatty. Let it in. It's just a fatty. Yes, let it in. Marito, Yami. Basic lang to para Yami. Let it in. It's just a fatty. Yes, it is. Let it in. Let it in. Sorry, bago na kasi yun. Talaga, sorry. Title na ito, sunod ano. Bilis to, asa Spotify. Yeah. Marines, title na ito, Windows Down. Windows down, amoy mo yung loud. Yeah, sobrang lakas, amoy mo yung sound. Yeah, sobrang taas, yung puros down. Yeah, sobrang taas, nagpaspasa. Windows down, amoy mo yung loud. Yeah, amoy mo yung sound. Yeah, sobrang taas. Yeah, sobrang taas, nagpaspasa clouds. Yeah, mama. We getting mula, baby. Kaya ain't got time to be slipping. I'm heavy sipping, baby. Kaya yeah, boy and drink. Kaya yeah, boy and keys. Yeah. Kasama gang sa labas. Kumain sa'yo at saka sa'kin. All gas, no brakes, yeah, we spazzing. Windows down, amoy mo yung loud. Yeah, sobrang lakas, amoy mo yung sound. Yeah, sobrang taas, yung puros down. Yeah, sobrang taas, nagpaspasa. Windows down, amoy mo yung loud. Yeah, sobrang lakas, amoy mo yung sound. Yeah, sobrang taas. Yeah, sobrang taas, nagpaspasa bilang. Sandali, rin yung pinanes ko. 120 seconds, gumugulo sa parang ko. Pakilan lang ng marinig ko. Tulang sa mga ways, yan yung hindi mo magigets, boy. Papapagpisit ko ng water, bawal makisip. Ibigay mo sa amin ni Kulasip. Dadami rin susumo, pero lahat tagilis. Ito lang ang angas ko. Windows down, amoy mo yung loud. Yeah, sobrang lakas, amoy mo yung sound. Yeah, sobrang taas. Yeah, sobrang taas, nagpaspasa. Windows down, amoy mo yung loud. Yeah, sobrang lakas, amoy mo yung sound. Yeah, sobrang taas, yung push down. Yeah, sobrang taas. Yeah, na ito, Windows down sa Spotify yun. Sorry. Laso ko. Ano, title na ito, Zang. Mga nakakalam. Pag-play mo. Mr. Wayroya, make a booty bounce. Cause I'm coming, Mr. Wayroya, make like on a drip. Pati sila, dinig ang going say from the top. Iwan sila, we be switching lane, ako naklapin. Pulang pagas, ang mala ko dali, nigga shit. Kaya malam, baho pagka-smell. Ano kung hindi ka pang hindi mo nakikita? Daming sinasabi yan, sarap o tulang dila. Gusto mo sa kanya, parang kasi siya maniga. Kung gusto mo tumesing doon ka sa likod ng pila. Suwi, yan ang guys, wey. Buhay, di lalabas. All sounds, marami kami niyan. Mga hindi kasali, pwede na tumawin yan. Yes, pwede na tumawin yan. Sila, mabisila, mabisila pa. Becoming Mr. Arts, I'm coming Mr. Mr. Way I make up. Boy, shout, mas marami kami niya. Mga hindi kasali, pwede na tumabigyan. Pwede na tumabigyan. They say naman, hindi naman, pwede naman. You call me Mr. I don't call me Mr. All Around. Don't call me Mr. Way I make up booty bounce. Si Shakespeare naman, hindi naman, pwede naman, damn. Don't call me Mr. Way I make up booty bounce. Call me Mr. Way I make up booty bounce. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Meron pa, kasama ko sila. Yeah, ito, ano, baliktad na jersey.
Yeah, lapit kayo konti kasi parang ang konti nating tingnan magkakaiwalay tayong lahat eh. Lapit tayo dito, guys tayo lahat. Play mo na yan.
Yeah.
Tuloy na set na rin ang hard knocks to. Yeah, sa mga nakakalam nga, title nga pala nito, Baliktad na jersey. Yun, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ano, pagod lahat ng tao sa RPM talaga.
No, feeling myself, taking a hit, that's on my arm, that's on my head, got it on me, like it's supposed to, telling his zip, trying to get lit, dalawang sales, spitting my G's, drugs in my system, she broke my heart, I don't got any bitch, di masakit, like nasa Dutch, di napansin, pero ay marin, and say, baby, ko exist, smile on my face, don't need no bitch. Shawty a model, so on my hip. Hit her one time and I get it again. I gotta get it and spit it again. Sige nga! So malumit kuminang, kahit ko pa stars. Yung aura kahit di makita kahit from afar. At di sila saan but they give it low-key. Lagi sabi pero they below me. Speaking out, give it best with my lonely. I'm feeling like Tony, yeah. So much heat, nigga check up. With my crew on a call. Green town with the seconds. You know I have a friend. Feeling in your face. Tayo so easy, hindi to fake. Kapag susubayin ko ito pe. Pag umahangga ng kalupi. Yeah. Shit. What? Yeah, I'm hitting MVTV up on this bitch. Shit, Wheels and I'ma pull out with my shine. I feel I love it like that, bitch. Hindi na alam siya pa rin yung side. Cause I'll be pounding it right. Dami kong pills on my bag. Pero nasusi, balik ko again. Tapos pasok sa siya kong game. I love it like that, bitch. I love it like that. Pero I'm gonna wake up sa club. Designer boys fucking it up. Redness, full of my rat. I'm back up chasing in planes, shit, I love you like that. Go crazy, I love you like that. Shit, I love you like that. Hard knocks. Asan na eksena? Dami pangarap gusto, puti, lalo nagbago. Bakit i-spill sa ganun pa din? Lagi lang masa, pusin yung alak ang huling pata. Mga problema pagpapanisin, tumabi ka ang walang tingin. Hard knocks. Yeah. Yo, baliktad na jersey ko. Ano yan? Yo, kami nga pala yung Hard Knocks. Bago kami mag-umpisa, pwede ba kami makarinig dyan ng Fuck Police! Isa pa! Fuck Police! Isa pa! Fuck Police! Yeah. Tangina nila. Eto, unang talk namin, kailangan namin ng energy nyo. Tayo medyo nakihina na, lasing na ba lahat? Kung ano yan. Pag may sasabihin kami sa hook, sasabihin nyo lang, yeah. I know it ain't easy but I'm blessed. Isa pa. I know it ain't easy but I'm blessed. Yan ang Marines. Game.
I'm kachip. Ang galing.
Yeah. Too cold. Okay lang pala kasama ko ate. Too cold. Too. I know really easy but I'm blessed. Need a lot of cash, a lot of checks. I just
stayed low, I never left. See the way they vibing on my set. I know it ain't easy, but I'm blessed. Need a lot of cash, a lot of checks. I just stayed low, I never left. See the way they
Hands down, keep it steady. Hoes keep calling on Teddy. Pop 3 pills to a joy para jelly. Tapos siya ng hay, halo-halo na sa belly. Press ko lagi manamit, alam mo yan. Apoy siya ka-downers, minimix, alam mo yan. I got me a belly, and she thick. And she bust it down on my... Kita mo yung usok pag sumilip ka sa window. Hard knocks, nasa radar, walang info. G-code, buhay para naka-cheat code. More like more money, more pesos. Nakahiim lang sa malimig yung big moves. Hard knocks, sumagas ang no intros. Nasa stu, making hits sa mga iho. Pag gumala mga plano, matay ipo. I know it ain't easy, but I'm blessed. Need a lot of cash, a lot of check. I just stayed the one never left. See you when you vibing on my set. I know it ain't easy, but I'm blessed. Need a lot of cash, a lot of checks. I just stayed the one never left.
sobrang fly, naka-gin, tsaka sense. Suot ko na jeans, di mo alam yung brand. Bawal dito pag-iyain, first Twitter ka mag-rank. Tunay sinasabi, di na kailangan mag-front, di na kailangan mag-front. Angas na to, rally, hindi mo maabot. Gusto mo magkatira, ganyan mag-shooting ka sa court. Ang dami ng papila na kahit dito sa north. May apat na partida, sagot ko pa rin may more. Making moves, di na kailangan i-post par. Buko ng scholar na sa kamang malapuan sa. Kahit malaki, kailangan ko mga 4 cars. Para lahat kasya mga tropa ko na all-star. Anong malamig, eh mukha kang maasim. Tawag ka pa sa paang para di mo lang maamin. Akala mo naman talagang calibrate ka namin. Motherfucking bitch, boy, yeah, little that. Yeah, need a lot of cash, a lot of checks. Yeah, I just stayed low, I never left. Yeah, see the way they poppin' on my set. Yeah, I know it ain't easy, but I'm blessed. Yeah, need a lot of cash, a lot of checks. Yeah, I just stayed low, I never left. Yeah, see the way they poppin' on my... Yeah, title ng year, lagabi sa ipin namin yan. Ano, 2029. Next.
Hindi, do it. Kaya lang nasa EP din namin may MV to. Lalabas ng 2030. Yun na nga, play mo na yan. Play mo na yan. Solo track mo nga pala to. Title na to, Rain Tweet. Ingat na kasi. Nakakapagod naman.
Yeah! All-star team, ang kasama walang extra. Autopilot sa mukha mo na parang Tesla. You know what it is, huh? We gon' be next, huh? Di makita pero damang mo na nasa radar. Two shots ng tequila lang hiya, walang beaten. Gotta find shit sa aking given, rikikin. Too swag daw, di ko kailangan bigitin. These steppers on these haters, yeah, I know you see. Yeah, chain smoking on these haters, yeah, I know you see. Yeah, sobrang easy sabi na lang ko kahit mainit. Luto lang ng luto para ang di kakainin. Huli ko yung ego mo sa akin nakatinte. Shawty wanna dance. Basit, dito ka kay dance. Pera, kukuhain mga best. Lagi lang ang best. Alright, laging kanan din ang aliwato. Puro ka ng bokale o galing yan ang wako. Kung sa tapas sabi na lang napapunta na ako. Kasama ko di lahat ay tulog ako. Sobrang sisi, Big money, yeah, need it, Nasa tropa ka ng blikit.
Kulagi na lang, wala kanino. Sige na, tuloy-tuloy na natin to. Kahit lahat tayo pa doon. Sino sumigaw na yun? Yeah! Ito, tama rin sa EP namin to. Tuloy-tuloy na natin.
Beat the poker with the cup. Here we turn it up. All black is designer jeans, money, water in my cup. Real trap stars, if you hate us, we don't give a fuck. Swagged out, pretty boys got this motherfucker shook. Geeked up, won't do in the cup. Yeah, we turn it up. All black designer jeans, money, water in my cup. Real trap stars, if you hate us, we don't give a fuck. Swagged out.
Bastards, they don't even fit our fucking standards. We back on our bullshit. Leave these souls in shambles. Dropping heat on these rappers, on this beat. I never kill these rappers with my verses smoking like exotic. Out here with the team, plotting schemes, trying to live the dream. Third world child, straight from the fucking Philippines. Started trapping 17, drop a body, ate my jeans. Rappers so intense, drops every fucking time they see us win. Swagged out, you can't even see me in my rapping for black out. Play that on the liquor, I've been sipping, barely crash out. I'll be out here chilling, popping chances, so you fanned out. I can tell that you've been studying my. Never see me quit, I'm really with it. Watch me fucking get it, running up the digits with my crew. Swagging on these bitches, and my rhymes be fucking wicked. When you rap, I hear the crickets. If you got a problem with it, go ahead and fucking swim. We up, the crew in the club. Yeah, we turn it up. All black designer jeans, Wally water in my cup. Real trap stars, if you hate, we don't give a fuck. Swagged out.
Love in my black tee. I need some checks para Nike. Di ko na mamulat aking eyelids. Di na makausap sobrang high bitch. Two pills, stupid, kicking it like Q-tip. Going for the team, this is celebration music. Bang on my bullshit, hard knocks we do it. 2 weeks at duty, so automatic na Gucci. Now who the wrong pass through the blunt? Di ka pwede dito, doon ka sa labas. Hard knocks, alam mo na balagbag, yeah. Di ka para alam mo na yan agad, yeah. Dito, open the cup, yeah, we turn it up. All the designer jeans, only water in my cup. Real trap stars, if you hear them, we don't give a fuck. Swagged out, pretty boys got this motherfucker shook. Geeked up, open the cup, yeah, we turn it up. All the designer jeans, only water in my cup. Real trap stars, if you hear them, we don't give a fuck. Swagged out, pretty boys got this motherfucker shit.
Yo, kami nga pala yung Hard Knocks. Kami rin ang KTV, kasama namin si Aista at si Kaylen. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Pagod tayong lahat, peace out. May pasok pa ako trabaho.
Fuck police!
What the hell, ano?